Hello everybody, welcome to our new session. In this session we are going to see the MySQL or SQL date functions. The date functions that we are seeing today is now, date, month, month name, year, day and day name. So let us see them one by one. Here we have the function now, which does not take any value in it, but it returns the current date and the current time in the format. Year will be specified first, then the month, then the day, and the time is specified hour, minute and second format. The date comes first, then the time. Second function is date. If a string is given to this function, it identifies a date in it. The date function can identify the date in the string and it returns that string. In the second example, you can see that the string contains date and time, or it can contain any letters, characters, etc. But date function returns only the date part of the string. You can see the output here. Third one is month function. This function retrieves the month from the date given. So the format is select month of, inside the bracket you give the date in a string and it identifies the month. Here you can see that this month is 4 and it identifies the month and returns that. Similarly, year function. In this year function, select year, inside the bracket you are giving a string which contains the date. It identifies the year from the string and returns it. Next is month name. In this function, if you give a date in it, this function returns the month name instead of the month. In the date you can see that the month is 4. What is the month name? It is April. So it will return or print April. What is the day? Day function returns the day of the date. So here, year, month and day string is given to the function day and it returns the day part of the string or this date. Now day name, this is very interesting function. When a date is given to this function, it identifies which day it is. Which day, that means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You give any date, it will return you the exact day name. So 2020 15th of April 2020 is a Wednesday. So MySQL returned that day name. Now let us see, in this we know that there are single row functions and aggregate or group functions. Here the numeric functions, string functions, date and time functions, this you can say that they are single row function. It does not affect the entire group of elements. Here aggregate function applies on a group of rows. So now you know what are single row functions and aggregate functions. We have 5 main aggregate functions: sum, average, min, max and count. So that is all for the session. Thank you.